హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు శివాటెక్ క్రాక్ ఛానల్. నేను మీ శివప్రకాష్ని. సో ఈ వీడియోలో సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అనేవి చూద్దాం. కమ్ ఆన్, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్.
Centroid of rectangle. Okay, take a rectangle. The rectangle length or base is B and depth D. Then what is the centroid position of rectangle? So మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే centroid always lies in the intersection of the diagonals of the rectangle. See, draw the diagonals of this rectangle. So the centroid lies in the intersection between the diagonals of the rectangle. So this is the CG point. So you can find out the CG location with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now from the y-axis, how much distance is it? That is b by 2 distance, and from x-axis it is d by 2 distance. So finally the centroid positions are with respect to y-axis b by 2, with respect to x-axis is d by 2. అలాగే centroid of triangle. So take a triangle, and the triangle base is B and the triangle height is H. So if you want to find out the centroid position from the x-axis, this x-axis is the base axis. So from the base axis to centroid position is H by 3 from it. Okay. Again, the centroid position with respect to apex, this point we call it as apex, right? So from the apex to CG point, what is the distance? That is the 2h by 3 distance. Okay, so remember here the centroid position from, that is CG from base, that is h by 3. Okay, and centroid position from apex point, that is 2h by 3. Okay, and one more thing you need to remember, that the triangle, if it is a symmetric triangle, means if you observe that the triangle is symmetric about y-axis, right? This is the y-axis. If it is symmetric about y-axis, the centroid always lies on the symmetric axis. So here you can say that this is the symmetric axis. So here the centroid is passing through the symmetric axis. This is CG point. Okay, so that's why the centroid lies on the symmetric axis. You remember, this is very important point. What is that? The centroid always lies on the symmetric axis. The third formula, centroid of semicircle. Okay, so let us take a semicircle. Of radius capital R. Consider this base as x-axis. So the CG from base, that is 4R by 3/5. Okay, remember this formula. The centroid position of semicircle from the base, you take, this is the point, is the CG point. What is the distance from the base? 4R by 3/5. This is the base. Okay, and one more thing you can observe, that the semicircle, if you observe it, it is the symmetric section, right? It is symmetric about which axis? Y-axis. So the centroid lies on the y-axis also. Okay. And coming to the fourth one, centroid of quarter circle. Okay, let us take a quarter circle, and the quarter circle radius, let us take it as a r. Now if you observe that this is the base of the quarter circle, this is the horizontal base, you consider it is x-axis, and if you observe that this is the vertical base, right? So you take it as this vertical base as y-axis. Then what is the CG, center of gravity at the centroid position from x-axis, means horizontal base, that is 4r by 3/5, means let us take this as a CG point. So from the x-axis to CG point, how much distance? 4r by 3/5. Similarly, the CG position from y-axis, this is the y-axis, so from y-axis to CG position 4r by 3/5. Okay, so these are very, very important formulas. Fifth formula, centroid of circle. Okay, so now let us take a circle, and the circle radius, that is r, otherwise the diameter of the circle you can take it as a d. Okay, now you remember that the circle centroid position always lies at its center. Okay, so this is the center point of the circle, so here always the centroid lies here. Okay, now suppose if you consider this is the x-axis, now what is the distance here, and this is the radius distance, otherwise you can also take the diameter by 2. Okay, suppose if you can take, this is the y-axis and distance is r, otherwise d by 2. So the circle centroid positions 0, 0, those are the circle center positions, otherwise that is d by 2 or d by 2 or the radius, radius. You can observe one more point, that is the circle is symmetric about horizontal axis. See, this is the horizontal axis, and is also symmetric about vertical axis. See, now the centroid always lies on the symmetric axis. See here, if you consider this is the horizontal axis and the vertical axis, this in between here the CG point lies here. See here, and the centroid always lies on symmetric axis. So you remember that while solving the problems you can find out the position or the location of the centroid with respect to the symmetric axis also. Okay, and thank you very much, and you remember these formulas, and these formulas is used to find out the centroid positions. In the next videos we can solve the problems.